LaserJet Inner Finisher Hole Punch Unboxing and Setup 155P7A, 155P8A, 155P9A. This video will show how to unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Inner Finisher Hole Punch. Begin by cutting the tape and opening the box. Remove the install guide and shipping foam. Then, remove the hole punch and the accessories. Now, you can prepare the inner finisher to install the hole punch. Remove the inner finisher from the printer and place it on a flat work surface. Remove the two screws that secure the rear cover. Remove the rear cover. Release the cable from the connector on the chassis. Push up on the bottom of the pin. Then, pull the hinge pin out. On the other side of the inner finisher, open the front cover. Squeeze the green release latch to disengage and remove the paper path. Here you can see the channel on the hole punch. The alignment pin on the inner finisher will be inserted into the channel on the hole punch. Position the hole punch on the inner finisher and insert the alignment pin into the channel. Push the hole punch into the inner finisher until it locks into place. Make sure the cables on the other side are routed through the opening in the chassis. Close the front door. On the other side of the inner finisher, replace the hinge pin. Insert the two hole punch cables into the connectors on the chassis. Replace the rear cover. Replace the two screws that secure the rear cover. Then, open the front door. Squeeze the green release latch to disengage the hole punch. Press down on the latch and remove the punch waste bin cover. Slide the punch waste bin into position. Next, install the release lever cover. Push the hole punch into the inner finisher until it locks into place. Close the front door. If not already installed, align the right side rail on the metal standoffs and lower it into position. Install the three screws that secure the slide rail. Position the left slide rail on the metal standoffs and lower it into position. Install the three screws that secure the slide rail. Push the slide rails in towards the printer. Peel off the cover label over the connector. Align the guides on the bottom of the inner finisher with the slide rails on the printer. Push the finisher in towards the printer. Open the front door. Pull back the release lever and make sure that the finisher is properly seated. Close the front door. Lift and hold the output dampeners to move them out of the way. Insert the tabs on the output tray into the slots on the finisher and lower it into position. Install the four screws to secure the output tray to the finisher. Insert the cable into the connector. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. The inner finisher hole punch and printer are now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.